In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening Settings and tapping on this section called More Connectivity Options. Now you need to scroll again and this time tap on Printing. Finally, tap on System Printing Service, Xiaomi Home or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so tap on yours, make sure this switcher is blue, and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip, if you still can't connect, enable print service and wait for more option at the bottom to show. When it does, click on it, tap on Add Printer, and then, if your printer supports Wi-Fi Direct printing, use this switcher to enable it. Make sure to tap on Allow here, or it won't work. Tap on Find Wi-Fi Direct printers and wait for your POCO to look for yours. You can also tap on Add Printer by IP address, import it here and tap on Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!